everybody, welcome back. I am here in Joshua Tree. You know this is my absolute favorite place for unique vacation rentals. And today I want to share with you this 3-bedroom, 3-bath, extremely secluded property with a beautiful pool and a beautiful jacuzzi. So come with me and let me show you all of the amenities that this property has to offer so you can book it for yourself and be on your way to the desert. Welcome to Roadrunner Ridge, set on 5 private acres in your own rocky cove, nestled in a relaxing desert oasis. With ample shade and seating in both the front and the backyard, you can enjoy dining outdoors at the wooden table on the back patio or the front table near the gas barbecue grill. If you prefer the indoors, relax on the comfortable leather couch or soft leather chairs with a book and coffee. Or enjoy the board games and puzzles. If you love music like I do, maximize your fun with a record player and wide-ranging collection of vinyls. Or stream your favorite TV shows on the smart TV and enjoy a little wind down. It has stainless steel appliances, ample counter space, and well-stocked cabinets where you can find everything your inner chef desires. Now, this master bedroom is absolutely spacious. I love the proximity to the hammock just off the patio. You have ample sunlight if you want it, or privacy because these shades do come down as I turn them down since it's really hot here today. But the AC works wonderfully and the views are epic. This 3-bedroom, 3-bath secluded retreat features double sinks, jetted tub and shower duos with lots of natural sunlight and full-length mirrors. With thoughtful attention to detail, each room has been designed with unique interior style, equipped with wall hangings, art, throw pillows, and comfortable bedding. This minimal style is clean, elegant, and has a bohemian desert flair that is both warm and inviting. Trust me, I didn't want to leave. If you're with a group of friends or family, you might enjoy the 6-person jacuzzi hot tub, as well as the cowboy tub that are great for both those warm summer days and winter chilly nights. My personal favorite was sunbathing on the private patio east of the house down the rock-lined path and swinging in the cozy hammock located just off the master bedroom. This myriad of outdoor spaces provides all sorts of experiences to make your stay unforgettable. There is also a full-size washer and dryer for those longer stays and a cozy fire pit for those late nights stargazing. If you're looking for a secluded hideaway in the desert, I've linked this property in the description for you to enjoy your next desert getaway at Roadrunner Ridge, located in Joshua Tree, California.